Hello guys, here is Shuli and you are welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make sooji modak. Modak is a very tasty and very popular sweet dish in India during our Hindu religious festival called Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganpati Bappa loves this sweet. For making sooji modak, sooji means semolina. Semolina modak, I am adding some ghee. Ghee means clarified butter in the frying pan. In this clarified butter, I am going to roast some dry fruits. In dry fruits, I am taking some cashews and some almonds only. You may take any kind of dry fruits, there is no problem. And I am going to use some raisins as well, but I am not going to roast them. So after roasting for about 2 minutes on medium to low heat, I am taking them out in a plate, and in the same pan I am going to roast the semolina. I am taking about 1 bowl of fine semolina. We need to roast the semolina for about 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. I am adding some more clarified butter to enhance the taste of the modak. And now I am going to roast it for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium to low heat. We need to stir the mixture continuously like this to roast evenly. After about 5 to 6 minutes on medium to low heat, the semolina will be aromatic, very nice aroma, roasted aroma will come, and it's done now. Now I'm adding some flavor to it. I took 2 to 3 green cardamoms and took the seeds only and crushed them and added them. A pinch of salt to enhance the taste of the sweetness. And now after mixing well, I'm adding some sugar according to taste. For 1 bowl of semolina, I'm adding about half a bowl of sugar. You may change the quantity according to your taste, there is no problem. After mixing well, now it's high time to add milk. So for 1 bowl of semolina, I'm going to use about 1.5 bowl of boiled milk. So after adding 1 bowl of milk, I'm mixing a little, and now I'm going to adding the half of a bowl of milk. After adding the milk, we need to mix everything very well, evenly. And now after mixing, I am going to add the roasted dry fruits, that means the cashews and the almonds. After adding the dry fruits, we need to mix it again. We need to mix the semolina and the dry fruits very well all together. And after mixing, I am going to cover the frying pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. Within this time, the semolina will be cooked very well, and the mixture, the temperature of the mixture will be slightly low. After about 15 minutes, this is the mixture, and the temperature of the mixture is tolerable with my hand. So now I am going to make the modaks. I am taking a dice, a mold of modak like this. I am greasing the modak with some ghee so that we can demold the modaks very easily. So now we are going to add the dough in the mold like this, and inside the modak I am going to add some raisins to enhance the taste of the modak. So making a hole, I am adding 3 raisins, and after that I am closing the modak mold, and I am pressing very well. After pressing well, I am demolding it. So our first modak is ready. You can see the perfect modak has come out from the mold. So in the same process, we are going to make all the modaks. For this time, I am closing the modak mold at first, and now adding the dough in the mold and making a hole. I am adding the raisin, and after that I am closing it. After pressing very well, I am going to demold it, and now the second one is ready. So guys, all our modaks are ready. You can see this. All the modaks are very tasty, and our Ganpati Bappa loves them so much. So during Ganesh Chaturthi I made them, but I didn't get time to upload it. Navratri is going on, and after it Deepavali, Lakshmi Puja, so many festivals are there. So you may try this recipe anytime. Try this recipe, and don't forget to share your experience with me. Hit the like button guys if you really liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.